Greetings, in this video I am going to show how to install MEPIS Linux 19.4. Start the installer by clicking on the installer icon on the desktop. Set your keyboard layout and press Next. Select where you want to install MEPIS Linux, and if you want to automatically partition the disk or assign manually the mount points, press Next to continue. Configure the bootloader and press Next. Set your computer host name, your domain and workgroup. Select your location and time zone. Create a user and set the password. Set the root password. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.